The first century believers kept the law. An article written by late elder Voy Wilks, 1970, revised 1990. Acts chapter 21, verse 20. You see, brother, how many thousands of Jews there are which believe, and they are all zealous of the law. Think of that. In the year of 60 CE, there were thousands of Jews who accepted Yeshua and kept the law with Paul's approval. Paul and the other apostles did not encourage the Jewish people to give up the law and the festivals. Instead, they instructed them in the one thing they lacked, the knowledge and faith that Yeshua is the Messiah. If, for example, the Sabbath had been abandoned, never was there a better time to mention it. The people asked to hear again the message of salvation, the next Sabbath. If the sanctity of the Sabbath had at that time been transferred to the first day, we can imagine Paul's response. Something along the lines of, Brethren, you need not wait until next Sabbath. We worship on each and every Sunday. Come tomorrow, the correct day of worship, and hear the good news. But he did not say this. Instead, on the next Sabbath, the seventh day, he preached the good news. Historical accounts also indicate the true believers continued to keep the law, the Sabbath, and the festivals. Quote, the first Christians, being derived from or intimately connected with Jewish assemblies, naturally continued to observe the Jewish festivals. End quote. This comes from the Encyclopedia Britannica, 9th edition, article Easter, page 531. The assemblies of Asia Minor, where Paul, John, and Polycarp preached, continued to observe the festivals and the Sabbath longer than any other communities. For hundreds of years, the Roman Catholic Church tried to crush these despised but true believers. Only gradually was the Sabbath abandoned and Sunday worship accepted. Later on, Voy Wilks summarizes by saying, Yahweh's law stands forever. 1 Peter 1, verse 24 and 25. For all flesh is like grass, and all its glory like the flower of grass. The grass withers, and the flower falls, but the word of Yahweh abides forever. Yahweh's word includes the law. Hallelujah. This was taken from an article titled Colossians 2, verse 14 to 17, written by late elder Voy Wilks from the Assembly of Yahweh in Rising Star, Texas. If you would like the entire copy of this article for free, please reach out to me via email at kingdomseekers1000@gmail.com or visit AOI's website at hallelujah.org. Thank you and shalom.